Look at the camera.
Good start. On TV. Hey, let's do it on
Come on.
TV.
Okay, you know what? Forget it. Say welcome back to our channel. Okay, so just by the start, you guys know what we'll be. I can't do more. I can't do it. I fucking can't. Are you? La 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 la. Ava. Say Ava. Say welcome back to our channel. Say hit that. Subscribe button. Okay, y'all know to do hit that subscribe button. Let's do it. Welcome back to our channel. Say hit that subscribe button. Okay, thank you, mamas. Okay, y'all know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Welcome back to our channel. And by the title, you know what this video will be about. So, okay, let's get into the video. The first thing we're gonna do is rinse out our refrigerator containers, which is this is what the food is gonna go in. So far as like the eggs, the fruits, the juices and things. So I'm gonna rinse that out in hot water. I'm just gonna use hot water because they're not dirty. They just need to be rinsed out. And then I'm gonna go to the freezer, and that's how it looked before. Y'all, I tried. It ain't much different, but it's a little bit organized. And then after that, we're gonna go to the sink, and we're gonna clean the sink out. Now, you're not gonna see too many bubbles because, to be honest, the best way to sanitize something is hot water and bleach. Hot water and bleach. I'm trying to tell y'all that's the best way to sanitize. That's all you need is some hot water and bleach. So I'm gonna go ahead and sanitize the sink. Alrighty, now I'm going to place the fruits in the sink and I'm going to rinse it off. So you're going to see some oranges, you're going to see some grapes, some cherries, and some apples. So I'm going to go ahead. I had a little struggle trying to get the oranges out the pack, but I finally got them out. And then you're going to see me rinsing them off. Just in case if y'all was wondering, I rinsed my fruit off in warm water, so not hot, not too cold, warm water. Okay, so now it's time for the drinks. I put all the grown-up drinks, as we will call them, into one container. So this is all the grown-ups. And then I put all the kids' drinks into another container.
Y'all see what happens when you be trying to be too cute. I end up putting the top on the wrong side, so I had to flip it up and put it on the right side. So now it's time for the kid drink and the yogurt. Me being me, gotta be a little extra. I decided to mix the drinks up, the Capri Suns, because it's 2 different flavors. So instead of putting all one flavor together, I had to mix them up, you know, so you won't be drinking the same flavor over and over again. You know, get a little bit of mixture. So I mixed them up. Looks who gets caught in the refrigerator. Someone that didn't want to help but want to eat all the goods. Now I can enjoy my food and finish eating my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell.